My dear children, in this session we are going to deal with web servers and hosting of a website. It's a continuation of the introduction to internet itself. Web server. A web server is a computer with a special software to host web pages. Host in the sense storing and executing the web pages and the web applications. A computer that provides web services and pages to intranet and internet users. A web server serves web pages to clients across the internet or an intranet. The web server hosts the web pages, scripts, programs and multimedia files and serves them using HTTP. HTTP is a protocol which is used for sending and receiving files or information through web browsers and servers. The expansion for HTTP is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. A web server is a computer that stores web server software and a website components like HTML documents, images, cascading style sheets or JavaScript files. When clients sends request for a web page, that means when we are typing a URL in the browser, either in the Google Chrome or in the Mozilla Firefox, that means client sends a request. The web server search for the requested page. If the requested page is found, then it will execute the page itself and send it to the client with an HTTP response. If the requested page is not found, the server will send an HTTP response as error. The popular web servers are IIS, that is Internet Information Service, which is owned by Microsoft organization, Apache, which is again owned by Apple, the Netscape, it is owned by the Netscape organization, and the SQL Server of Microsoft organization. These are the popular web servers in the world. Look at the types of web servers and its functions along with its examples. The first one, database server. It provides the services for creation of database, insertion of records, deletion, updation, creation of tables, like that. For that, in the world, we can use Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle Database Server, MySQL Server. The next one is web server, website hosting. It is nothing but storing the created web page into web server, as well as when a client requests for a web page, the server gives the web page to the client. The famous examples for web servers are Apache HTTP server, Microsoft IIS server. Also, Netscape Navigator. Another type is file server, that is for uploading, downloading, Gmail attaching, like that. The web servers used is Microsoft Windows Storage Server, built on the Microsoft Windows Server. Coming to the next topic, website hosting. Website hosting is an online service that enables you to publish your website or web application on internet. When you sign up for hosting service, you basically rent some space on server on which you can store all the files and data necessary for your website to work properly. That means if you are creating a website, the website address must be stored in web server. That storing and maintaining of your website address is known as website hosting. Hosting is the process of storing domain name of a website into web server for making the website available for all. All domain names are stored in the web servers. Following are web hosting providers in the world. That is Bluehost, HostGator, DreamHost are the most popular web hosting providers in the world. I think you are all clear about what is a server, what is a web page, what is a website, and how it can be stored or hosted in a web server. Thank you.